times of confused situations, in these nights of a restless remorse, when the heart and the soul of a nation lay under the cold as a corpse, from the grave of the innocent Adam comes a song bringing joy to the sad. Oh, your cry has been heard and the ransom has been paid up in full. Be glad, be glad, be glad. Every day that you've ever had has been paid up in full by the grace of the Lord. Be glad, be glad, be glad. From the dungeon a rumor is stirring, you have heard it again and again. By this time the keys are turning, and outside there are faces of friends. And though your body lay wet from wasting, and your eyes show the sorrow they've had, oh, the love that your heart is now tasting has opened the gate. Be glad, be glad, be glad. Every day that you've ever had has been paid up in full by the grace of the Lord. Be glad, be glad, be glad. So be the glass of the limb of the water, giving hope in a storm still of night. Be a refuge amidst the slaughter of these fugitives in their flight. For you are timeless and part of the puzzle. You are winsome and young as a lake, and there is no disease or no struggle that can pull you from God's ground. Be glad, be glad. Every day that you've ever had has been paid up in full by the grace of the Lord. Be glad, be glad, be glad, be glad, be glad. Every day that you've ever had has been paid up in full by the grace of the Lord. Be glad.